Sometimes pipe fitting suppliers supply elbow T reducer with this type of black lacquer or coal tar enamel coating for preservation of fittings from corrosion. They apply this coating on outer surface of fittings as well as on inner surface of the fittings. If we use this type of lacquer coated fittings at site, then number 1, welding will not be proper. Number 2, it will be difficult to apply final painting at site over the lacquer coated surface. Third point is most important. This black lacquer is removable. When we rub it, it comes out. So, this black lacquer will chemically contaminate the process fluid flowing through the pipeline and physically will accumulate inside various machines and valves, which is not desirable. So, we must remove the lacquer coating both from inside and outside surfaces of pipes and fittings by using lacquer thinner or by sandblasting or by acid cleaning. Instead of lacquer thinner, sandblasting and acid cleaning will be more effective for industrial piping. For this type of small dia lacquer coated fittings, acid cleaning is the only option for removing lacquer coating from inside surfaces, because sandblasting can only be done for 6-inch and above sizes. So the final conclusion is, before installation at site, we must remove protective coating or painting from inside surfaces of pipes, fittings and valves to prevent contamination of process fluid, because the protective coating contains hydrocarbons. Instead of using coated pipe fittings, it is always better to use rusted pipe fittings, because rust is already oxidized and inert and does not react with anything. Rust is heavy and will settle down at pipe bottom and will not be carried over with the process fluid.